I do for you. I just thought this would end us in a secure place, and I'm so fed up. Just know I'm so mature. I have no messy bone in me. Please,
don't act like you don't know what this is.
My #1 priority. Then you got this one going on. Truly miss your vibe.
You weren't good enough.
Thank you. It was a life we enjoyed, my dear.
Dad, you fucked up.
I know was very nice to you, very well. Believe me, it's just I don't eat a lot of you. Eat a lot of me, weird emoji. Just next time, it will be bloody if you can keep it up.
Dad, you fucked up.
Some random words I don't know, but this is a picture of the house, by the way.
Okay.
Leave it.
You fucked up.
Yeah, whatever it is. Anyway, people go.
Okay, so then there's more. You got.
How
How are you? Sup? You take to some place, country club for swimming in some place. Same head. Okay, good idea. I'll see how it is there. Over the weekend, the pool is very nice. Just horny for you. I want to sit on you, but I'll be patient and I'll wait. I'm coming to you. You're late.
I can break this TV right now.
I will be free for cramps. Some words in Uganda. Thought all this is in the good days. Ha ha ha. Just saying.
That's fucking disgusting.
I should calm down.
But I just take 3 days, 2 days.
No, I'm not sitting down.
She has the right
as long as you can be upset, just don't be upset. Like
don't do that.
Some pictures not good. Seka, you don't know how much I've longed for your big dick of yours, but
really
today isn't far enough. Oh, hi, got back to you. You sleeping okay? I'm just jealous. It must be fun. Let them clean that carpet. It's kind of dusty. Sleeping, going to shower.
Were we not in Uganda during that time?
Dad, were we not in Uganda at that time?
You need some.
Dad, I'm not fucking stupid.
Just need to send some as you did. You are miles away. You might look at those pics I just sent you nude. Send me some words. Those big boobs. No, some words, some flesh. We'll get home in an hour.
Yeah,
that's why I didn't want to, but I was
Dad, explain this.
You know it's sick. Dad, you want me to keep going, or is this?
Does this not recall in your brain of yours?
Stop hitting the TV.
But Dad,
does that not recall? So stop acting like you don't know.
Or you got the.
Then what the fuck is
this?
We love my mom. So now explain what this is.
This is what the kids you didn't want to show.
Yes, sir.
Dad,
that's why we didn't show.
Dad,
my suspicion that since this
Dad,
in 20-something, that's when you started seeing this person and whatever. This is what the kids you didn't want to show.
Yes, sir.
Dad,
that's why we didn't show.
Dad,
my suspicion that since this
Dad,
in 20-something, that's when you started seeing this person and whatever. I was just like thinking about whatever you're not doing right. But look, God knows there is God when He does something.
And you don't believe in Him.
God brings things in the light. I don't trace I don't what.
I'm gonna embarrass the shit out of you.
Look at what.
Let me talk.
Sorry.
This is what eventually. Eventually, this is what the kids do not want to show me when they came back and when they're over there. But my intuition was that something was not going right. And I say we go for therapy and whatever. But
you didn't want to do therapy.
That means you didn't want to fix you. She want to save the marriage. How many times are you gonna go ahead, Dad? You're fucking ridiculous.
Now we've seen it. All of us as we are sitting down.
Everyone's gonna see it, by the way.
Sit down.
No, I'm not sitting down. I'm not sitting down, Dad. You should be ashamed. Dad, listen. How many fucking times are you gonna put my mom through the same fucking bullshit? Dad, you tell me about don't add I don't care who you are. But guess what? You could be my father, but you not Listen, Dad, you have not that father figure. I don't care who you are to me. You are nothing to me.
I found out during the womb.
She found out.
But me and you don't have a good relationship. So when I saw this and I read this, it didn't hurt.
It didn't hurt her.
I've already decided 14 years ago.
You're a piece of shit.
14 years ago, I've lost you as a dad. So 14 years ago, you were my financial bank, and that's what it was. So when I saw this, it didn't hurt me. She found out. Tyra found out the day we got back, and Tyra cried. Ashley, I didn't cry with it.
Ashley found out today.
That's why.
Dad, I told people I want to kill you, Dad.
Listen. than 24 hours ago and Ashley loved you. Ashley loved you, and that's why she's so mad like this, because she loved you. So when you tell her not to yell, that hurts her, because you're telling her to suppress her moment. No matter that you are her father, you are her father. She loves you and you will hurt her.
Dad, you have nothing to say.
So you decide to make a decision, so you have to take it in. Your two daughters that love you so much are heartbroken right now. So however they feel, you have to just sit there and take it. Yes, you are their dad.
I'm a bitch in the shit out.